Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal of insurance in India being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 41 years of publications in the year 2021. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. 40 crore individuals don't have any financial protection for health, says Niti Aayog. According to the report, the missing middle predominantly constitutes the self-employed, informal sector in rural areas and a broad array of occupations, informal, semi-formal and formal in urban areas. In the absence of low-cost health insurance products, at least 30% of India's population or 40 crore individuals are devoid of any financial protection through insurance, according to a report released by Niti Aayog. The report titled Health Insurance for India's Missing Middle said that expansion of health insurance coverage is a necessary step and a pathway in India's efforts to achieve universal health coverage. Paytm's insurance business to raise 920 crore rupees from Swiss Re. Ahead of its initial public offering, Paytm's associate company, Paytm Insurtech Private Limited, is raising a strategic round of 920 crore rupees from global reinsurance firm Swiss Re. The company will invest in by way of equity shares and compulsorily convertible shares for a 23% stake. While 397 crore rupee investment will happen upfront, the remaining amount will come in tranches subject to fulfillment of certain milestones. India's insurance market presents a significant opportunity given the market's protection gap and underpenetration compared to the global average. Insurance companies apply big in Policy Bazaar's 5,600 crore rupees IPO. Insurance companies have emerged as the big bidders for shares of PB Fintech, the company that operates Policy Bazaar and Paisa Bazaar portals. ICICI Prudential Life, Max Life, Niva Bupa, Bajaj Life and HDFC Life are among insurance companies that have got allotment in the anchor category ahead of PB Fintech's 5,600 crore rupees IPO. Some other funds that have got allotment in the anchor category are New World, Bailey Guilford, Fidelity and Abu Dhabi Investment Authority. A total of 26.2 million shares have been allocated to over 150 funds at 900 rupees per share, disclosure made to stock exchanges show. Total allotment in the anchor category is per shares worth 2,570 crore rupees. SBI General Insurance collaborates with Google Pay to offer health insurance. SBI General, one of India's leading general insurance companies, announced its technological collaboration with Google Pay, enabling users to buy SBI General's health insurance on the Google Pay app in a quick and hassle-free way. This is in line with SBI General's vision to consistently expand its distribution of general insurance solutions through digital channels. The collaboration also marks Google Pay's first such alliance with an insurer in the country and will make health insurance available to customers on the go on Google Pay Spot. Health insurers post strong growth in year-to-date financial year 22. The General Insurance Council released segment-wise gross direct premium income data of the general insurance industry for the month of September 2021 and year-to-date financial year 22. The health segment continued to deliver strong growth on a relatively stronger base, offsetting sluggish growth in the motor segment. Overall GDPI grew 12% year-on-year for year-to-date financial year 22 but declined by 2.8% year-on-year in September 21. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned. Welcome back after the break. Insurance firms willing to settle claims via mediation. The union government and insurance companies have agreed to settle payment of compensation to victims of road accidents through mediation that may at best take over 3 months, the Supreme Court was told. A report on the proposed mechanism of mediation suggested that trained mediators engage both the claimant and the insurance company to arrive at a just and reasonable compensation and ensure an amicable settlement. The court was informed about the proposed mechanism at a time it was considering passing directions for speedy resolution of cases pending under the Motor Accidents Claim Tribunal. As per the National Judicial Data Grid, nearly 25% of over 7.36 lakh MACT cases remain in the trial stage for more than 3 years. Of the total, at least 650 have been delayed for over 2 decades. Portugal's general insurance industry to reach 6.7 billion euros in 2025. Portugal's general insurance industry is projected to grow from 5.28 billion euros. The general insurance industry in Portugal is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 4.8% over 2020 to 2025, primarily due to economic recovery following the pandemic. Personal accident and health insurance was the largest segment in Portugal's general insurance industry in 2020, accounting for 34.6% of GWP. The segment grew by 4.2% in 2020, backed by increased awareness due to the pandemic and growing demand for private health insurance. It is expected to grow at a CAGR of 6.2% during 2020 to 2025. This was all from the Online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications for the next video. Stay connected.